talk about renal ureteric calculus, what is it? Calculi are solid muscles made of vessels which originate in the kidney. Later it can come down anywhere and like in the renal tract. Can be found on ureter, VUJ, or urinary bladder. Almost all the urinary stones are composed of 98% crystalline material and 2% mucoprotein. Most are of calcium oxalate, which is well radio opaque and hyper dense in CT, and uric acid 16 are not radio opaque or severe black vein radiating to groin vein, and the costovertebral angle tenderness is also common. There can be gross or microscopic hematuria. If it's microscopic hematuria, we can confirm it by a dipstick test. Then patients will present with nausea or vomiting, or both. Patients with large staghorn calculus are often relatively asymptomatic because it's there for a long time and gradually increasing in size, and it won't cause any symptoms. So the frequency of the different types of stones and the opacity, radio opacity. Calcium stones are the most radio opaque stones. That 70 to 80% of the stone calculus are calcium calculus, and screw-weight stone comes to second with 15 to 20% of frequency and lesser radio opacity than calcium stones. Then comes cysteine uric acid stones. Cysteine stones are mildly radio opaque, and the incidence is very less. Uric acid stones 5 to 10%. It's not radio opaque, and xanthine and metric calculus are very rare. Can be seen only by IVP. First method of diagnosis of renal calculus by doing a KUB plain radiography. By doing the plain radiography, we can assess the total stone burden as well as the size, shape, composition, and location of urinary calculus in some patients. We should correlate KUB plain radiograph and ultrasonography or CT. The radiograph of left renal calculus. And this is a bilateral staghorn calculi. Next comes ultrasonography. The renal calculi shows it's echogenic, and distal shadowing will be there, and you can see whether the PCS is dilated or not. If PCS is dilated, the stone might have descended to the VUJ or the ureteric tract. Ultrasonography is not reliable for small stones less than 5 mm. This is the renal calculus showing distal acoustic shadowing. This is echogenic, and this is a right kidney with PCS dilatation, possible VUJ calculus or ureteric calculus. Next comes CT. CT has 95 to 100% sensitivity. A renal colic study consists of non-contrast CT scan of abdomen and pelvis. the calculus appears hypertense in the CT scan. The downside is really expensive for the patient, and it exposes the patient to a relatively high radiation dose. The axial view is a hypertense calculus seen here, and the possible VUJ obstruction or VUJ calculus or renal ureteric calculus, hydroureteronephrosis, and renal parenchymal enhancement also there. Next comes IVP. IVP will inject radio opaque dye, and the UV radiographs are obtained immediately before contrast, then after 1 minute, then 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and 15 minutes. IVP is becoming a less preferred imaging technique for renal calculi because of CT scan. The downside is contrast-induced nephropathy is the third leading cause of hospital-acquired acute renal failure. So we had to rule out any renal pathology before, like we had to check for serum creatinine levels and more than 2 milligram per deciliter less of creatinine is contraindicated for doing IVP. This is the IVP UV radiograph showing left side pelvic calculus with dilated ureter. Next comes retrograde pylography. A radiographic picture is taken while contrast material is injected directly through the ureteral catheter directly into the ureter. Any stone, even if radiolucent, and any ureteral strictures or toxicities that may not be visualized easily on other studies become clearly visible. Retrograde pyelograms are rarely performed merely for diagnostic purpose because other less invasive settings are usually effective. So retrograde pyelograph showing a bilateral extensive bilateral nephrocalcinosis demonstrated. And the complications of renal calculi are abscess formation, serious infection of kidney, urinary fistula formation, ureteral scarring and stenosis, extravasations, urosepsis, renal parenchymal loss due to long-standing obstruction. Treatment. Initial treatment for renal colic starts with pain management, antiemetic, and IVF. We have to check for obstructions and infection. If infection is noted, start the patient on antibiotic. If obstruction is noted and calculi is less than 6 mm, no surgical intervention is needed. The stone might pass by straining while micturition under analgesic. If both obstruction and infection are present, emergency decompression of upper urinary collecting system is required. Stabilize the patient and refer to a urologist for surgical management.